Okay, students, good morning. This is the continuation chapter for the class 11 mathematics relation function. Okay, second chapter. Okay, sir. Okay, so already we discussed about the basic type of relations and functions, type of functions, and some examples of this all. And already we we find the domain, range, codomain. Okay, sir. Like that. Okay, sir. Some many examples all from now onwards. Today's concept is a real function. Okay, sir. Very important. The concept of a real function. A real function. Functions you can call us. Okay. Yeah. Real means the functions from R to R are real numbers. So already you know, you take a some x, y, the function is from x to y, and the function from a to b, other terms like that. F is from n to n, like that. Z to z. Okay, similarly, okay, sir, if a domain and codomain, okay, sir, from input or output, okay, sir, if input is also real number, okay, sir, if this is also R, okay, sir, then this is F function, okay, sir, this also R, okay, sir, this is the function, okay, sir, this is the inputs, input is the outputs, okay, sir. This is called, okay, sir, if the function, the domain and codomain have the same, okay, sir, the real function, okay, real number, then you call function is from, okay, sir, function is called a real function. Okay, similarly, F is, okay, sir, R to, okay, sir, R to R, okay, sir. This is called real function. Okay, sir. This is called real function. Okay, instead of writing function from x to y and a to b, now onwards, okay, sir, in now real function now only f is from r to r matra mention ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, sir, f is from r to r. Okay. This is the definition. Okay, let's see some domain and codomain here. Okay. Domain and codomain. Okay, here domain of f is divided by f is equal to, okay, sir, x, okay, sir, such that x belongs to R, and okay, sir, for some f of x belongs to also R called domain, and the range R of f is equal to limited by f of x, okay, sir, such that, okay, sir, f of x belongs to R and x belongs to R. Okay, sir. This is the domain and okay, sir, here x belongs to d of f. Okay, sir. Here x belongs to d of f. Correct? Okay. So both Rf and d of are subset of, okay, sir, both d of f, okay, sir, are subset of R. Rf is equal to also subset of R. Okay, sir. Subset are equal set of, okay, sir, R. Like it only. Okay, this is the range is function f of x such that f belongs to R. Yes. Yes, sir. F of x belongs to R and x belongs to domain of f. Okay. This is the definition. Then, some, okay sir, some statements are there. A function does not exist if domain is empty. Okay sir. Empty set does not have any function. Okay sir. Empty set does not have any function. Means you can write, okay sir, empty set, okay sir, does not have, how to write, okay sir, empty set does not have function. Okay sir. F, you can write, is not a subset of F. You can write. Yes, sir. Empty set does not have any function means F is not a subset of phi function. Okay sir. Especially real, you can call it a real function. Should tell, especially a real function. Okay. Then okay sir. Okay sir. If the domain is real, then we not, okay sir, we not need to admit the any other subsets. Okay sir. If df is equal to R, okay sir, then domain never become a subset. Okay sir. Domain is not become a subset of R. Okay sir. Means we not need, okay. Okay sir. It may become or may not become the R. Okay. May or may not become R. Okay sir. Means we don't need any other subsets. Okay sir. If domain is R. Sir. Next is, okay sir, and the domain is defined only sir. Okay, when, okay sir, if, okay sir, only when domain defined, only if, okay sir, f of x is existed or defined, is defined, okay sir, then only x belongs to domain of f. Okay sir. This is very important. Okay sir. F of x exists and defined, then x is the, you can call x as a domain. Okay sir. Include the codomain. Okay sir. Then they give an equal function. Okay, equal function means there are two functions. Okay. Equal function means there are two functions. Okay sir. Equal function means, okay sir, equal functions. F and G. Okay sir. Mostly if they are f of x is equal to g of x and x belongs to domain of f. Is it? Okay. Domain of, okay, g for dg. This is called f of equal sets. Otherwise, okay sir, otherwise f of x not equal to g of x. Okay sir. Means f and g are same functions. Okay sir. F and g are same real function. Same real function. Okay. Next is, okay sir. Okay. If df is not equal to, okay sir, they given like that. If df is not equal to df, okay sir, if df is not equal to domain of g, then f of x is not equal to g of x. Okay sir. Means domain, different elements have different elements in domains have different values of functions. Okay sir, this is introduction. Okay, some notes, some, okay, so formulas are there, sir. We will note down it, and after solving, after noting that the formulas, we will see the examples. Okay, sir. Okay, so very important formulas for this solution. Okay, for the examples. Okay, okay, sir. Important formulas you can call notes. Okay, sir. First one is, okay sir, condition is, okay sir, if okay sir, if, okay sir, A and B. Okay, instead of writing, we can A and B belongs to R and A is less than B. Okay, sir. Some deductions, some derivations are there. Okay, sir. Let's see. First one is x minus A into x minus B is less than, okay, sir, less than 0 if A is less than x less than B. Okay. X belongs to x belongs to open bracket of A and B. Okay. Second one is x minus A and x minus B less than or equal to 0. Okay, sir. If A is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to B and x is belongs to close bracket of B. Is it? Yes, sir. Then third one is x minus A and x minus B greater than or equal to 0. Greater than 0 if, okay, sir, x is less than A, x is less than A, or x is greater than B. That is if, okay, sir, and means that is, okay, sir, how you will write this means, okay, sir, x belongs to less than A means, okay, sir, minus infinity to A union greater than B, greater than B to positive infinity. Okay, sir. We should do this, sir. This is the, okay, sir, this is bracketization only. Fourth one, okay, sir, x minus A is equal to x minus B greater than or equal to 0. Similarly, okay, sir, similarly x belongs to, okay, sir, minus infinity to A is it union, okay, sir, B to positive infinity. This is the fourth. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And another one is there. Third one is, okay, fourth one is mod function. Okay, sir. Fourth one or fifth one? Fifth one is, okay, sir, if, okay, sir, x belongs to R, then mod of x is equal to, very important, okay, x, okay, sir, if x is greater than or equal to 0 minus x if x is less than 0, and last one is, okay, sir, sixth one is, okay, sir, mod of x all time greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. Okay, sir. These are the most, okay, sir. Now they gave the implemented f of x by the x. So these are the four important formulas, okay, sir. Once I have indicated while solving the solutions, okay, sir, solutions, we finding the domain and range, okay, sir. This method becomes very important, okay. This formulas becomes very easy, very helpful in while solving the questions. Okay, sir. X minus A, x and x minus multiple of x minus A and x minus B less than 0 if x belongs to a open interval A and B. Similarly, x minus A into x minus B is less than or equal to 0 if x belongs to closed interval of A and B. And x minus A and x minus B multiple greater than 0, okay, sir, if x belongs to, okay, sir, two different elements, okay, sir, x is less than A or x is greater than B, and x minus A into x minus B is less than or equal to 0. Similarly, x is minus infinity to A and or B to infinity, and this is called modulus function. Okay, sir, modulus, and this is called mod function. Mod function. Let's see, sir. Not mod. Okay, sir. This is called positive function. Okay, sir. Positive real function. Okay, sir. Positive function. Okay. This is true. Okay, sir. If they given like that, okay, sir. If x is less than 0, it becomes -1. Minus x, if x becomes 0, becomes x. Okay. By considering these equations, okay, these solutions, this problem, okay, so these formulas. Let's start the okay, sir. Examples. Solve the examples. Okay, sir. This is the question. If f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 and okay, sir, divided by x square minus 8x plus 12. This is the question. They ask you to find the domain only. Okay, sir. Find the domain. Okay, sir. D of f. Okay, sir. Simple solution. Okay, sir. See, they ask you only domain here because the range is very difficult to find. Okay, sir. Because range you have to replace the. Should write the y is the function of x is the function of y. That's why they ask only complex question. They will ask the only simple. Okay, sir. Concepts. What is the domain? Okay, sir. Already you know. Okay, sir. D of s. Okay, sir. D of f. It belongs to a real number. Okay, sir. So means this term. Okay, sir. See, in concept I'm telling. Okay, sir. 0 by anything a is defined how. Okay, sir. This is 0. How? Okay, sir. You can write 0 into a into 0. This becomes 0. Okay, sir. This is defined. Means 0 by a is equal to 0. Defined. And one thing, sir. Okay, sir. Nothing, sir. Something by a by 0 is not defined. Okay, sir. This is infinite or not defined. Why? Because, okay, sir. If a is equal to 0 into multiple of x, any element. Okay, sir. If the element should be multiplied by 0, any positive or negative element, you should get some, okay, sir, some element. Okay, sir. Means product of 0 is 0 always. Okay, sir. That's why, okay, sir. You should remember. Okay, sir. This is the formula you can write down. A by 0 is not defined. And 0 by anything is 0 defined. Similarly, okay, sir, if df, domain of f belongs to R, okay, sir, then this should be positive, sir. Okay, sir. This should be positive. Okay, means whole f of x should be belongs to R, real numbers. Okay, that's why this should be not equal to 0. Okay, sir. This should be not equal to 0. Means, okay, sir, if f of x belongs to R, then, okay, sir, x square, okay, x square minus 8x plus 12 not equal to 0. Okay. This is the initial condition. So initiation. Okay, just solve it. This is quadratic equation. Write the components. Okay. Means x square. Okay, so minus 6x minus 2x plus 12. You can write. Okay, sir. X is common. X minus 6. Okay, sir. And minus 2 is common. X minus 6 not equal to 0. Okay, sir. What is common? X minus 6 is common. And the remaining is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is, okay, sir, not equal to 6 and x is not equal to 2. Okay, sir. Except, okay, sir, domain is, okay, sir, domain d of f, okay, sir, belongs to R, okay, sir, except x is equal to 2 and 6. Then how we will write? Okay, sir. This is a writing d of f is equal to R minus set of 2 and 6. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then you are right. Okay, sir. First condition. Okay, sir. This is the same, sir. Same method applies to the all questions. Only questions will become quite varied. Okay, sir. Varied questions. This method. Okay, ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, sir. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿಗೆ ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಮೆಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಸೆವೆನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 and 6 domain of F. First question. Okay, the second question is let's see. Okay, sir. Next question is f of x is equal to f of x is x square minus 3x x square minus 3x plus divided by x minus 1 and find the f of minus 2 plus f of 1 by 3. Okay, first you find the domain. Anyway, okay, sir. For domain, okay, sir, belongs to R. Okay, sir, implies f of x belongs to okay, sir, R. What is the condition? Okay, sir, means if okay, sir, this belongs means this implies x minus 1 not equal to 0 means x not equal to 0. Therefore, domain of f is equal to, then I will write, sir, except 0. Okay, R minus except 1 set of 1 number of real numbers except the minus 1. Okay. Next they ask me f of minus 2 and f of 1 by 3. Simple, sir. Wherever the x is there, put the value of 2 minus 2. Similarly, wherever x is there, put the value of 1 by 3. Okay. F of minus 2, I am writing. Okay, sir. F of minus 2 is equal to, okay, sir, this is minus 2 square plus minus 3 into minus 2 plus 1 whole divided by, okay, sir, minus 2 minus 1. This becomes 4 plus 6 plus 1 divided by minus 3. This becomes, okay, sir, 11 by, okay, sir, minus, you can write minus 11 by 3. Okay, sir. Is the answer? Yes, sir. Then f of 1 by 3 is there. Okay, sir. F of 1 over 3 is equal to, similar, sir. Where the x is there, just put the value of 1 by 3. Okay, sir. 1 by 3 whole square minus 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 minus 1. Is it? Yes, sir. This becomes 1 by 3 means 1 over 9 minus 1, 3 they get cancelled, plus 1 and 1 by 3, okay, sir, 1 by 3 minus 1, 1 minus 3 divided by 3. This becomes 1 by 9 into 3 by 2 minus 2, okay, sir, minus 3 by 2. So this becomes 3 ones are 3, 3s are minus 1 by 6. Yes, minus 1 by 6. What the final is? F of minus 2 plus f of 1 over 3 is equal to, okay, minus 11 by 3 minus, okay, minus 1 over 6. Okay, sir. LCM is 6. Okay, so right, minus 11 into 2 minus, okay, sir, 1 into 1 divided by 6. Okay. This becomes minus 22 minus 23 divided by 6. minus 23 divided by 6. Okay, sir. Next step they given here some. Okay, sir. Next they give mixed fraction. Okay, sir. 23 by 6 you can write. Okay, how you write this one? 6, 23, 6, okay, sir. 3 is 80, this is 5, okay, sir. 5 is remainder, then I will write, okay, sir. This is 3 into 5 by 6 is equal to minus 3 into 5 by 6. This is the answer. F of minus 2 plus f of 1 over 3 is equal to minus 3 5 by 6. Mixed formation. Okay, sir. This is the simple only. Let's see, sir. Next question, sir. Quickly. Okay, sir. Next question is quite important question, sir. Okay. I ask them various different concepts. If f of x is equal to 3x square minus 5, find f of minus 3 and find the domain number of image 43. Means if they given image 43, find the corresponding domain. Okay, sir. Just first find the domain. Okay, sir. If x belongs to d of f, okay, sir. So f of x also belongs to, okay, sir, d of f. Okay, sir. Means d of f is belongs to R. Okay, any real number it is satisfied. There is no any conditions. Okay, sir. D of f is equal to, okay, sir, d of f is equal to R. Okay, domain is R. Okay, sir. Next condition is, sir, for the range. Then how will we find the range? Okay, sir. Let's take the, okay, sir, x equal to 0. Okay, sir. X belongs to real number. Okay, sir. Let's see the x is a real number. Okay, sir. Or the given. Okay, sir. If x belongs to real number, okay, sir, x belongs to real number, then, okay, x square must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, take any, sir. Okay, if 2 belongs to a real number and 4 also belongs to a real number, if minus 2 belongs to real number and 4, it must be greater than or equal to 0. Square number. Okay, sir. Why? Because we have this situation. That's why we taken this one. Okay, sir. This is the condition they given. From this we have to find the 3x square minus 5. Okay, sir. Let's see. Okay, sir. Just take this. Okay, sir. This number x square greater than or equal to 0. What they want, sir? We want first 3x square multiply 3x square. Okay, sir. On both sides becomes 0. What we want? Minus 5. Okay, sir. 3x square minus 5 also becomes, okay, sir, minus 5. You can add both sides. Okay, sir. What is this? Okay, sir. This is what? F of x or y. Okay, sir. This is what? Okay, sir. You can write now. F of y is equal to f of x equal to 3x square minus 5. Okay, this is y is greater than or equal to minus 5. This implies that what? Okay, sir. Minus 5 is less than or equal to y. What does it mean? This implies that, okay, sir, minus 5 is less than or equal to means what? This is the minus equal to minus 5. Yes. Yes, sir. Minus 5 is less than or equal to y. Yes, sir. minus 5 less than or equal to means what? Okay, sir. This becomes okay, sir. This becomes okay, sir. Minus 5 less than value means becomes positive infinity. Okay, so therefore R of f. Okay, sir. What is y? Y belongs to R of f. Okay, therefore R of f is equal to minus 5 to infinity. Yes. Okay. Next step is okay. What they given here? Next step is what is given? Okay, sir. Find f of minus 3. F of minus 3 is equal to what? 3 into minus 3 square minus 5. This becomes 3 into 9 minus 5. This becomes 27 minus 5 becomes 22. Okay, so this is the the image of minus 3. Again they consider what the domain number of the 43. Okay, sir. I am arranging the situation. Okay, sir. Next question is next step is okay, sir. Means okay, sir. What is they given? Okay, sir. Image. The given image is 43. Okay, sir. Means what is y is equal to, you can write 3x square minus 5. Okay, sir. They given y. This is y image. Okay, sir. This implies that okay, sir. 3x square minus 5 is equal to 43. 3x square is equal to 48. X square is equal to 48 by 8. Okay, sir. 1 6. Okay, sir. And x becomes plus or minus 4. Okay, sir. These are the two domain elements of this image 43. Okay, sir. Yes, plus or minus. Okay, sir. Technically, how we will write minus 4 set of and plus 4 belongs to domain of f. Okay, sir. Implies that okay, sir. 43 we can write belongs to range of f. For this purpose. Okay, sir. You can tell also, you can write in this also. F of minus 4 is equal to f of 4 is equal to 43. This is the climax. Okay. Okay, sir. Next question is let's see. Okay, the next question is find the domain and range for the function f of x is equal to 1 over root of 5 minus x. Okay, sir. What is the domain, sir? Okay, the domain means solution. Okay, sir. Our domain is okay, sir, belongs to R. Okay, sir. Implies that f of x belongs to R. Okay, sir. This. If this is true, then okay, sir, then root of minus, okay, sir, this will be a positive number. Okay, sir. Again I am telling, if x square is greater than or equal to 0, implies root of x also greater than or equal to 0. Okay, sir. Means if x belongs to R, if okay, sir, this is the condition. Every square root number also a positive number. Okay, sir. See, that's why. Okay, sir. If okay, see, that's why. Okay, so root of 5 minus x is greater than or equal to 0 implies that okay, sir, 5 minus x greater than 0 and implies that, sir, 5 is greater than or equal to x. Okay, sir. You can write 5 is greater than or equal to x means what, sir? Okay. You can write the simplification. X is less than or equal to 5. Okay, therefore, d of f is equal to, okay, sir, less than, okay, sir. This is infinity, minus infinity to positive 5. Is it? Okay, sir. This may not be a greater than, okay, sir. Maybe a 0. Should be greater than only. Okay, okay, sir. I told you na 1 by a for a, okay, sir. This is the, okay, sir, 0 by a. This should be 0, not equal to. Main important concept. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That's why this becomes open bracket. Is it? As equal to, okay, sir. Next, range is, okay, sir. What is the range? For range, okay, sir, for y belongs to R of f and y is equal to, what is it? 1 over 5 minus x. Okay, sir. Just we find the, in terms of x, the y is the function of x. Okay, sir. This is the y is the function of x. Then we should find out the x is the function of y. Okay, sir. Squaring on both sides, y is equal to, will get 1 by 5 minus x. Okay, sir. 5 minus x will get 1 by y square and x is equal to, okay, sir, 5 minus 1 by y square. So, sir, this becomes 5y square minus 5 y square. Is it? Yes, sir. See the, that's the, okay, sir, that is the thing only, in form of x only. Okay, sir. Let's find the range here, how the range is. Yes, sir. This one is simply we can find out. Okay, sir. See, here y should not be equal to 0. Okay, sir. And y should be greater than 0. Condition, for denominator condition. Again, okay, sir. 5y square is equal to almost already greater than 0. Okay, sir. Almost. Okay, sir. Greater than equal to 0. Okay, sir. This minus 1 also. Okay, sir. 5y square. Okay, sir. Minus 1 almost also greater than equal to 0. Okay, sir. Because, okay, sir, this is square number. Anytime you have the 5 multiplication. Okay, sir. Almost you will get the 4 something. Okay, sir. 4 plus 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 1. Okay, sir. This becomes, that's why, completely positive. Okay, sir. This is the what? Okay, sir. Means x becomes greater than or equal to 0 completely. Therefore, x belongs to, right, sir, 0 to infinity. Not equal to 0. Okay. It should be greater than 0. This 4 plus 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 na, should be greater than 0. This is the range. The range becomes, okay, sir, this one 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Yeah. Okay, so what they given in book? Okay, sir, they given like that only. Okay, sir, they what they given means if y is equal to, okay, sir, if y is equal to 1 over root of 5 minus x. Okay, sir, means, okay, sir, 1 by a is always greater than 0. Okay, sir, if a is greater than 0 condition. This means what they given, y is greater than 0. Okay, sir. Y is greater than 0. So y greater than means what? Okay, sir. Y belongs to 0 to infinity. Okay, sir. Here y belongs to 0 to infinity. This formula they used. Okay, sir. I am also there this one. May be complex. Okay, sir. Only it's the multiple of 5 man. We know no, sir. We no need to worry. This is almost greater than 0. Y for any y positive values of y. Okay, sir. 5y square minus 1 divided by y square is, okay, sir. This division is only already positive number, square number. This also square number. Okay, sir. Only minus 1 is there. So it's almost a multiples of 5. So almost you get, okay, sir. For any y less than or equal to 1 also, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, we will get the 5 values, and that also equal to be minus 1 only. We will get only, okay, sir, greater than 0 only, almost all. Okay, positive values only. Instead of telling greater than 0, we will get the positive values. Next question is okay, sir. Next question is, okay, sir. Here we get some confusion. Okay, sir. Only how they give, because the assumption is going on, sir. Okay, every step they will assume how to, okay, sir, find the range and the, okay, sir, okay, domain. Okay, sir. This is the find the domain and range. Okay, sir. For any values of x, okay, sir. For x belongs to solution. Okay, sir. If x belongs to R, okay, then df will get belongs to R. Okay, sir. Means df is equal to R. Okay, sir. Means f of x also belongs to R. Okay, sir. Belongs to R. Because any value is the automatically belongs to R. Okay, sir. The range means the, okay, reverse order. Okay, sir. That inward function should find the range means value of y. Okay, let's consider, y is equal to x square divided by, okay, 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square not equal to 0. This is the condition. Is to find the x in terms of y, x in functions of y. Okay, sir. You can write y plus x square y is equal to x square. So you can write, okay, sir, y is x square minus x square y. You can write y is equal to x square 1 minus y. Is it right? Okay, sir. X square is equal to, okay, sir, y divided by 1 minus y. Okay. This is the relation. Y is equal to 1 minus y. Okay, so let's see the operation. Y is equal to 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square minus x square. Yes, sir. X square is equal to 1 minus y, y minus 1. Y minus 1 is 1 minus 5. Okay. Let's copy here only. Okay, sir. This is the step derivation. Next, okay, sir. So we already found x square is greater than or equal to 0, which for x belongs to R, is a real number. Okay, sir. Then, okay, sir, simplify. Okay, sir. X square 1 minus y square is equal to y into 1 minus y whole square divided by, okay, sir, 1 minus y. Okay, sir. Multiplying both sides, 1 minus y square. Okay, sir. So this is greater than 0 means this is also greater than 0. Okay, sir. X square greater than 0 means x square 1 minus y also greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, okay, sir, this sum is get cancelled. Okay, sir. Y into 1 minus y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, sir. See, for this condition, y is not equal to 1. You should remember here. Y should not be, okay, sir, y should not be equal to 1. Is it? Then, okay, sir, here y should be greater than 0 for this one. Okay, if y equal to 0 means it becomes whole 0. Okay, sir, not possible. Therefore, and 1 minus y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, sir, 1 is greater than or equal to y. So here only 1 is greater than y because 1 is not equal to y. Therefore y is less than 1. Okay, so we have only two conditions. Y is greater than 0 and y is less than 1. For what you will write? Okay sir. You will write, okay sir, 0 to infinity. For this you will write, okay sir, less than 1 means, okay sir, minus infinity to 1. Okay sir, here and here the common elements. Okay sir, already you know na, this is the common elements, different elements. Okay, you can write, okay sir, 0 to infinity and okay sir, minus infinity to 1. Okay, you take only this common elements only. This means 0 to 1 only. Okay sir, y belongs to okay sir, RF. They given 0 na. Range becomes, range of y becomes, okay, 0 to 1. Okay sir, let's cross check somewhere else. Okay sir, then they given r is the where okay sir, then again okay sir, y is maybe greater than or equal to 0 for this function. Okay sir, okay, therefore 0 to the 1 RFS. Okay sir, this maybe happens na, where it is, okay sir, y is not equal to 1 only. Here y is not equal to 0 only. Okay sir, if y is equal to 0, okay, you can write, okay, yes, you can write 0. Yes, you will get 1 only. Yes sir, okay, right, you can write y equal to 0, you can write, because 1 minus y you can write 0. So because 1 is, okay sir, means 1 is greater than or equal to y, you can write, okay sir, means y only, y is, okay sir, y means less than or equal to 1. Okay sir, and except 1, y is less than 1 or less than 1, because okay sir, y equal to, you can write y equal to greater than 0. Okay sir. This may be some little confusion over somewhere else. Okay sir. And this they multiply both side here. Okay, multiply both side here, and they taken here sir, y, okay, different components. If y equal to 0, okay sir, either it may be 0 or this may be 0. Okay sir, one condition is y is not equal to 0, first condition, because one becomes, if y becomes 1, it becomes infinite, not defined. Therefore, okay sir, y is greater than or equal to 0 or y is, okay sir, 1 is greater than y means y is less than 1. Okay, this is the range. Okay sir, half closed, left closed and right open. Okay sir, next example is okay sir, next question is f of x is equal to 3 divided by 2 minus x square. Okay sir, x to the power 2, x key 2. Okay, find the domain and range. Okay sir, okay sir, if x belongs to R, okay sir, then f of x belongs to also R, you can tell. Okay sir, okay sir, or if only, okay sir, here, okay, x belongs to domain d of f. Okay, what sir, x is, okay, 2 minus x square not equal to 0 should be, okay sir, this should be greater than 0 or not equal to 0. So this implies what? Okay sir, x square is not equal to 2, and this becomes x equal to not equal to plus or minus root 2, plus or minus root 2. Therefore, domain D of f is equal to elements of R minus minus root 2 and plus root 2. Two elements only. Df is equal to except the elements R minus root 2 and plus root 2. Range is again range y belongs to range of f, therefore y is equal to 3 over 2 minus x square. 2 minus x square is equal to 3 by y. So I can write x square is equal to 2 minus 2 by 3 by y. Already you know x square is almost already greater than 0. This implies 2y minus 3 divided by y is greater than or equal to 0. What do you do, sir? To find this relation, here y is not equal to 0. Condition is applied. Multiply both y side. X square y is equal to 2y minus 3 divided by y into y. Y square will be multiplied by y square. This becomes this one is get cancelled. This becomes implies y into 2y minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. This is the function of x in terms of y. Next simplification is y is greater than or equal to 0 or 2y minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. This means y is greater than or equal to 3 by 2. And one condition of the given condition is y is not equal to 0. Yes. We should get these numbers. We should get these numbers except y is not equal to 0. Then how we will write a range of f is equal to except 0 I should write. It should take minus infinity to 0 union. We should remember write the 2. 3 by 2 to infinity. Open and close. Is it right? Yes, sir. This is the conclusion. We have two values. Y is greater than or equal to 0 for this one, and 2y is y is greater than or equal to for 0, but except y not equal to 0. Y at the y not equal to 0 function is not defined. Sir. For this, sir. For this we should take, sir. Should take y equal to greater than 0 means y not equal to 0. Should get only positive values. One terms. Sir. Why this is becoming? Sir. Why should we consider means y belongs to real number first. The function, study the function completely from R to R. Real numbers to real number. Only we are getting one condition getting 3 to 3 by 2 positive, and y is not defined at 0. But they never mentioned y is not defined at less than 0. Sir. They not mentioned. That's why you should consider the real number. Sir. All these real numbers, including from this 3 by 2. Next question is question number. Given function is Okay, sir. Next question is find domain and range for the x by 1 plus x square. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Whatever you're watching this here, you can, okay, sir, watch carefully, and after, okay, sir, watching this video, search for the many YouTube channels also and go for the book solution and try to understand the book solutions, like standard book solutions. Okay, us teachers, what we are doing right now, because we have different perceptions, okay, the different, okay, sir, skills to solve the question because of our understanding level, sir. Because we understand, okay, the books maybe sometimes becomes difficult. That's why we try to use the easy method, okay, so to understand the students to get the knowledge. Okay, sir. This is the what is the domain and, okay, so what is the domain and which one range here. Okay, sir. Any domain, okay, the function from f to f. Okay, sir. Function from R to R. Okay, sir. Therefore, domain should be belongs to R. Okay, sir. Except on, okay, sir, 1 plus x square not equal to 0. This is the condition. Okay, and x belongs to R. Okay, sir. You will get the domain is completely real number set. Okay, sir. Range. Okay, sir. Range. Okay, sir. What they given again condition is there. If they, okay, sir, also 0 belongs to 0, so I put x equal to 0. Okay, sir. Range, what we study for y is equal to, we will take y is equal to x plus 1 over x square, and, okay, sir, y belongs to range of, okay. Okay, sir, simplification, y plus y x square is equal to x, and this becomes x square y minus x plus y, this equal to 0. Yeah. This becomes a quadratic equation, is it? Yeah. This is the becomes quadratic equation. Yeah. This becomes ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay. And how to find the x values? Okay, sir. The formula discriminant. Okay, sir. Then the formula is of discriminant. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means roots are, okay, sir, alpha 1 is equal to alpha 2, alpha belongs to real number. Okay, sir. Equivalent real. If a b square, okay, sir, calculate delta also. B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Okay, greater than 0. Okay, sir. Then alpha 1 and alpha 2 belongs to R, real numbers. Okay, sir. B square minus 4ac less than or equal to 0. Okay, sir. Less than 0, and alpha 1 and alpha belongs to complex number set. Okay, sir. So our aim is should be b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 only. Okay, sir. Greater than 0. B square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, sir. Okay. So Excel b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. What is b square? Okay, sir. Minus 1 whole square means 1. Minus 4 into what is y? This is y. 5 is x square. Okay, sir. X square. This is, okay. What is x is that? 1 minus y square. No? Wait for sir, something's happened. Yes, correct is there. What is the condition is? I am getting confused. What is this one? Yes, what is the b is? Yes, 1 minus 4 into a into c is also this is a, this c. Yes, sir. Greater than or equal to 0. 1 minus 4. Okay, 1 minus 4 y square greater than or equal to 0 means, yes, sir, 1 is greater than or equal to 4y square. Is it? And 4y square less than or equal to 1. Or the next is the simplification is what they done. Okay, sir. Four y square less than equal to 1. 4y square is minus 1 less than equal to 1. Okay, right. One is taking y square is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to also plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay, you are only modded here only.